Hi everyone, this is Cassandra Castaneda. I am presenting for Group 1 with Amani Cruz. So we had our meeting on the 17th. We communicated through email and text. Due to I being sick, our original plan was to do a Zoom meeting like we did for our first data meeting. Our purpose was to review the data for meeting 2. These are some of my notes for Artifact. So, some things that I would do, I would bring the IEP for both students 23 and 24 and look further into details regarding their IEP. I'll compare notes from their IEP related to our assignments and objectives. I want to see if there's something in their IEP that maybe that the teacher's not accommodating to them and that maybe we need to do. I also noticed from further going into the data that student 21, as a few others, has low test scores as well. Like 23 and 24. I would also review the lesson plan content. I would bring that lesson plan content into our meeting to view all 3 learning objectives. I would see samples of the students' work to understand and see if they're understanding the lesson objective during that assignment. This will also help me as a teacher make corrections to my teaching to make sure I'm meeting the needs of all learners in my classroom. Lastly, these are Amani notes that she took. She dove furthermore into the data than I did. She got a different view on it. She would also bring in lesson plans for each of the learning objectives. She would also, the final assignment and assessments for each unit, she would bring those in to gain a better understanding of what the students were asked to do on each assignment. They make sure that the assignment was very clear to them and they weren't confused. She would also observe the students' work to see their understanding it, and the teacher is presenting it in a way that they can easily understand it. And also, as look at the assignments, are they meeting the objectives or are they just kind of just thrown in there? This is our artifact sheet. I used a combination of both her notes and my notes to come up with this sheet that I did. Of course, we both utilized the IEPs in here, the lesson plan, objectives, a unit plan, the test, the test results on the standardized test. And then we also went in, we want to go over the lesson plans or the unit plan to make sure the students were meeting the objectives. Make sure the activities were being done matching the lesson content.